This is the unboxing and review of Prestige Induction Cooktop PIC 15 Plus of maximum power delivery 1900 watt. Offers unique design for protection against insects, concealed feather touch buttons, automatic voltage regulator up to 4000 volt, Indian menu option, anti-magnetic wall. Not only that, but also intelligent energy saving eco-friendly design and of course with 1 year brand warranty. Now let's quick look on the product box. Now you can see this is the Prestige Induction Cooktop PIC 15 Plus. Highlighted features are written what I have told few minutes ago, and it delivers maximum 1900 watt power with power saver technology and with up to 4 kV high voltage charge protection. This side of the box pack, the highlighted features of this induction cooktop has been described in details. You can pause the video and read the features, or watch the video carefully to get details about this induction cooktop. MRP of the product is written 4620 but got the product only at 2900 approx. Now let's open the box pack quickly. Inside the box pack you will get two items, that is the induction cooktop itself and with this one instruction manual from Prestige. This one. In this instruction manual you can see the warranty card of this induction cooktop. This is. Now let's see the induction cooktop. Elegant design with full glass top panel. 1.2 meter extra long power cord enable the cooktop to connect easily with the main switchboard. Two circles are drawn on the cooktop, small circles for small sized vessel and bigger circles for bigger sized vessels. This is the concealed and feather touch control panel and comes with 7 preset Indian menu options. Now let's look at the backside of the cooktop. And one unique features they have installed here, that is the unique design for protection against insects. At the center, the serial number is written from Prestige and this cooktop based on the 4 anti-skid feet. These are, you can see here. Now let's switch on the product. At the time of switch on, all the LEDs will glow together with beep sound. This is the on-off switch of the induction cooktop at control panel. After touching the red switch, you have to touch on the menu option or keep warm option, these two only. Otherwise it will go to the sleep mode automatically to save power, showing E0 error because pan is not there. So this is the pan sensor technology. Without pan it will not start, it will show the E0 error. Once you keep the compatible pan, it will start automatically. And here first preset menu will come, that is the pressure cook, and it will be denoted by PC here. To go to the next option you have to touch on the menu showing CU means curry. Now it is showing DC means dosa chapati. So in this way, touching the menu button, the Indian preset menu will be changed. Now heat milk, then DF means deep fry. Now the Indian menu option is shoot in 1300 watt. If you touch again, it will come back to the pressure cook menu again. You cannot touch on the curry button or the preset button because these are not activated. Only you have to touch on the menu option and it will be changed one by one. 1300 is the preset power for the pressure cook menu. You can decrease and increase it by pressing on the minus and plus button respectively. Increasing 120 watt, then 300, 500, 800, 1000, 1300, 1600 and last 1900. You can change the predefined time of any menu by touching on the time button. Decrease or increase time by touching on the minus and plus button respectively. To decrease or increase the time in more amount, touch and hold minus and plus button respectively for slightly longer time. Maximum time that can be set on this cooktop, that is 3 hours. You can pause the cooking anytime by touching on the pause button. If you touch the keep warm button, it will set to the 120 watt power for 2 minutes. You can see here. You can change the cooking time of any predefined menu by touching on the time button, as I have told previously. In any preset menu, if you uplift the vessel from the cooktop automatically goes into this mode and save the energy. The cooktop has several power saver mode, so it is energy efficient cooktop. Overall, the cooktop is premium in all sense at around 3000 rupees. Besides all premium features like unique design for protection against insect, concealed feather touch buttons, automatic voltage regulator, Indian menu option, anti-magnetic wall, power saver technology, some flaws are also there. Company has not provided dedicated manual button for cooking where time, temperature and power can be set separately. And for time dependent cooking like pressure cook, power and PC mode is shown alternatively, but remaining time will not be shown.